Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Sophie, and I'm back in your screens, guys, with another banger. So as you've seen from the title or the thumbnail, today I'm going to be showing you guys more ways on how to style your micro or mini twist. Remember that you could always use the styles on your locks, your braids, or whatsoever, but today's video is dedicated to the micro and mini twist girlies. Yeah? If you know that you're interested in these styles, you want to slay just like this one, you're in the right place. Don't go anywhere. My most frequently asked question when it comes to my micro twist is usually what I use to maintain it and basically what I use during styling. My very honest answer is water. There is nothing else in this bottle, just water, and it usually does the job throughout the term of my hair. You can carry it for as long as possible. I carry mine for over 2 months, and water is literally all I ever need. I think it generally depends on the quality of the extensions that you're using to achieve your micro twist. These particular extensions are the Afro Kinky synthetic extensions from Noble Hair. And when I tell you that these extensions are superb, the hair is so soft, super affordable, and what tops it all up is that it is absolutely reusable. If you're still thinking of extensions to use to achieve your micro twist, probably you've already done it and you're trying to get better extensions next time. I 100% recommend this Noble Hair Afro Kinky synthetic extensions. I give it 100%. my video. If you made it up till this point, then I hope you found exactly what you were looking for. And I also hope that you're ready to slay, because at this point you have no reason not to, okay? I hope that after seeing how easy it was for me to style and manipulate through this hair, you would understand that these noble hair extensions are literally the best for you. Click the link in my bio to make shopping easy and make use of this discount code to get money off. You know I'm bringing the best offers to your screen, right? Right. Don't say I didn't do anything for you. Thank you once again for watching my video. If you liked it, give it a very big thumbs up. Comment, let me know what you're thinking. Let me know which style is your favorite one and which one exactly you would be trying. Also, share this video to your friends, your mommy, your sisters, your cousins, any and everyone who you think will be interested in this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button because the numbers matters to me as well. I love you guys so much. Mwah.